Sure, because it's ready to go there now. Okay.
Hello.
Hi, good morning, Ma'am Morlair. Uy, masterpiece. What's up? Your dog is put it there in the sure because it's ready to go there now.
What are you watching?
Don't put your gloves here. It's dirty. Put it outside now. Thank you.
Hello.
Hi, good morning, Ma'am Morlair.
Yes.
Opo, ma'am. Hi, this is Raymar po from Mitsubishi Manila Bay. Opo, ako yung kausap nyo last night with regards po sa L300. Do you remember, ma'am? Ma'am, taga saan po sila?
Quezon City.
Quezon City. By the way, ma'am, ano po yung real name ninyo, ma'am, if you don't mind?
Sorry?
What's your real name, ma'am? Ma'am Claire. Okay. Si Ma'am Claire is from Quezon City. Currently employed, tama po? Okay. Sir po, how long na po employed?
Recently lang.
How long, ma'am? Welder po? Okay. And then, yung L300, ma'am, para saan yung... Yes po, ma'am, sorry? Yung L300 po, para saan yung gagamitin, ma'am?
Sana hindi sana ko advice para ng mga
Okay, totally understand, ma'am. Okay.
kasi looking na.
Okay, got it, ma'am. So, what we can offer to you, ma'am, is expander 2026 year model tapos manual. So, that's affordable price. Especially, ngayong February, we have ongoing promo po na low DP and low monthly.
SNDP din 22,000 monthly.
Exactly po.
If I'm correct.
Yes, ma'am, tama po. Tapos, ma'am, with regards po sa warranty. So, yung sa warranty natin, ma'am, from 3 years, so previously last month up to last year, 3 years warranty lang talaga. So, this February, ma'am, much better kung paglabas tayo, makapagpa-approve tayo sa bank. Kasi, ma'am, it's a 6 years warranty. So, ibig sabihin, mas matagal yung coverage ng sasakyan nyo, ma'am. So, much maganda. Mas maganda. Regarding, ma'am, sa salary amount nyo, ma'am, magkano po, if you don't mind?
No, my basic is 15 but my total package is almost 21. So I think 180,000 for an annual.
Okay.
That is my, I don't have minimum lang kasi yung partner ko, but actually kasi honestly speaking, may
Yes po.
partner
Ngayon, magkano? Yung minimum.
lang siya eh.
So, okay. Sige ma'am, ganito. I-send ko sa iyo ma'am yung list of requirements together with the credit application form po.